Hello everyone and welcome back to Can Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica S espresso machine. Now this one took a bit because we had to get this part, the mecanovalve that you see right here, and that's what basically we repair on this machine. The mecanovalve takes care of delivering water to the groove head and to other parts of the machine, as you see right there. And this one it needs to be replaced. So we're gonna do a shot of espresso, then we're gonna be testing out this machine. Okay, perfect. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna be testing it out. Then we're gonna be using the hot water and the steamer. As I was saying before, we replaced the mecanovalve. So right now water is going through the mecanovalve and then going into the spouts and then into the cup. And as you can see, nice steady stream coming out of the spouts. Good color as well, even though we are using our test coffee and a more coarser grind on our grinder. So nice shot of espresso. Water coming out nice and strong. Excellent steady stream coming out through the one. Really great temperature as well. Burning my finger right here. And now we can test the steamer as well. It's going to take a bit for the thermoblock to reach the temperature necessary to do steam, but once it does that, we're going to see a little bit of water shooting out through there, then a little bit of steam, and then we're going to see the steam pressure coming out through the one. Now that the thermoblock is getting up to temperature, you can see the steam coming out through the one. We don't see that much over here because it's hot inside the shop and we don't have the door open. But as you can see, right here, you can still see good pressure coming out of the one. Excellent, excellent steam. I'm burning my hand right here. Working excellent. So there you have it. The DeLonghi Magnifica S working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing Can Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.